How to add own songs in Instagram story. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Here we go. You'll land to the home page. Now over here you'll find this option of your story. Click on it. With that, your gallery will open up. Now you can head towards any of the video that you want to upload in your Instagram story along with the music. After you select the video, at the top you're gonna find different options. Click on this music option. You'll get different music options, but you won't get the option to select your own music. So what you have to do is, you have to render your video before you upload to your story with the music with any of the editor application. So I would recommend this app CapCut. You can get this app easily from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download this app, launch it. Now click on this option of New Project. Now go ahead and select your video. Once you select the video, now change the resolution for this video. Click on this option of Aspect Ratio. Click on this option of Instagram. Now head towards this option of Audio. Click on the option of Sounds. Now over here you're gonna find different icons. Click on this one icon. Now on this page you will find the audios from your device. You can go ahead and select the audio of your choice. Once you select your own song, you can export this video. Click on this icon given at the top right corner. Now you will be able to find this video in your gallery. So close this. Launch your Instagram app. Click on this option of your story. Click on the video that you have just edited. Now this video will include your own song. Now you can share this video to your story. Well, this is how you can easily add own songs in Instagram story. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.